Learning Development Agency implements a project called HERIT ADAPT, which is financed through Interreg Euro MED program. This project fosters collaboration among key stakeholders in order to implement different HERIT ADAPT models to UNESCO World Heritage Sites. In Dubrovnik, the pilot project is carried out in close cooperation with the city of Dubrovnik and the Institute for Restoration of Dubrovnik, both associated partners in the project. Through the territorial working groups, relevant authorities and stakeholders actively contributed to developing the Dubrovnik pilot concept, helping to identify the needs, share the knowledge, and build local capacity in a meaningful way. For this pilot, the focus was on the Rector's Palace Dubrovnik, a landmark of exceptional cultural significance. A high-resolution 3D model of the entire building, covering approximately 4,300 square meters, was developed. This model serves as a crucial tool for conservation, restoration, educational purposes, and strategic planning. Given Dubrovnik's exposure to earthquake risks, this pressure of tourism and climate-related threats such as rising sea levels, the 3D model not only enhances the palace protection, but also provides a long-term strategy for safeguarding its architectural and historical legacy, ensuring that this iconic landmark can be preserved and appreciated by generations to come. In parallel, a microclimate monitoring system was implemented within the museum, integrating both historical and real-time data on temperature and humidity. This system is designed to predict microclimatic conditions inside the building, allowing for timely identification of potentially critical environmental states. By continuously analyzing fluctuations and trends in the internal climate, it supports proactive measures to prevent damage to sensitive collections. Strengthening the local knowledge and capacity was one of the central aspects of our project. Through the workshops and territorial working groups, we managed to get together many different key stakeholders and managed to find the best solution which can be transferred to different sorts of organizations, cultural institutions, and even regions.